same recipe, different result. Ever wonder why? Guys, so my daughter decided that she wanted to make fried chicken and she wanted them to look like mine. So I'm like, go on my page, find a recipe or get the ingredients and come, let's do it together. So while frying the chicken, she realized that her butter was falling off the chicken. She was like, Mom, why is this happening? And I'm like, I don't know, because we use the same exact thing. The only thing that we used different was the oil. The first time I'm trying that brand oil. So I said, maybe it's the oil. But then I've decided that I wanted to fry some chicken with the same oil to see if I get a different result. And my chicken came out perfect. So what is the reason for that? Is it the energy? Because her energy was a little off. Anyway, when frying chicken, please leave the leg and thigh in the oil. Let them fry for a little longer than the breast and wing, because that part or those parts of the chicken takes longer to soak. So let me know, guys.